How to send a PowerPoint presentation as a link. To send your PowerPoint presentation as a link, maybe you are using the PowerPoint app or using PowerPoint on cloud. Whatever the case, once you have your presentation designed, from the top right hand side you can see the share button. So you just have to click that share button and you can see the option to copy link. So you can just click this copy link option, which will give you this particular option. So basically now you can simply copy this link and anybody with the link can view and edit this presentation. So if you want that, you can copy the link and send this link to anybody, or you can also click on the share option and click on share again. And here you can see the option anyone with the link can edit. Simply customize this and you can select can only view other options and so on. And this way you can basically go ahead and then send your PowerPoint presentation as a link. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.